lovelies, welcome to my channel. Okay, and today I'm going to show you guys I'm going to crochet my hair. Don't mind my little puffy froze, little kitty. Okay, so first thing first, you're going to need your crochet hair, and what I'm going to be using today is Jamaican curl. It's called Rastafari. I thought it was Rastafari. I mean, I know. Alright, for all my Jamaicans out there, don't come for me, okay? Wagwan my youth. Me, I know how to pronounce this. Bumbleclot. I'm crazy. Anyway, so we're gonna be using 2-pack. It costs $6.99 a piece, so I'm just gonna use 2 because I don't want to have too much hair in my hair, because I want to be able to get through those roots so I can like moisturize it. What I'm gonna be using for moisturizing, I mean after the braids and stuff, it's one of my DIY oil that I made, the aloe vera oil for hair growth. So I'm gonna be using that under my crochet braids. Okay, and then before I apply that, I'm going to be I was debating between these two, which one I should use, but I think I'm gonna use this one. As you can see, I applied this one in there. I was trying to see which one gave me more moisture. This was the Camille Rose one. This one was this. I mean, it looks similar, but yeah, I'm gonna end up using this. That's after I braid my hair. You know, I wanna make sure it's well moisturized under the under the crochets. And then you're gonna need your crochet needle. Just using this one. Brush. That's it. Okay, and now I'm going to braid my hair. Like I was saying, for this one I want to make it pretty simple, so I'm gonna just do like some big ugly cornrows going back, pretty easy. Like I said, I want to make it easy, so whenever I want to moisturize my hair, so I can like get through it very fast, easy, because I want to be able to moisturize my hair under that. Okay guys, let's go. Alright guys, don't laugh at my ugly braids. So yeah, so I ended up doing like 7 braids. The reason why I did 7 braids is because at first I was gonna do 8, but I think I want the hair to fall kind of on my face, so that's why I put less in this one, a little bit more, you know, so it can be kind of like a side bang. Maybe, I'm still debating. I don't know how it's gonna come out, so we'll see. All right, so the reason why my hair is white right now, so that's what I've been applying. So I just put it, dumped it into my hand, and then I've been applying it. Yes, because you know, with my hair is gonna be under the crochet, it's gonna be kind of a little bit harder to take care of it like I would like to. So that's why I want to make sure it's very well moisturized and to avoid the hair being dry. So that's why I'm being a little extra with it. That smells so good. Okay, now I'm going to use oil my scalp. Like I said, the oil I'm using is it's from, if you watch one of my videos, I'll link it below so you guys can watch it, about the aloe vera hair growth oil. So this one I'm putting through my scalp. Okay, so now that I'm done oiling it, this is how. One thing I like with it is that it's already pre-knotted for you. So all you have to do is pull it through. So that should be quick and fun. All right, so I'm going to start crocheting my hair off camera, then I'll be back. That's all I have left. Sorry, it's all tangled up. That's all I have left, so I have to make it work. So I know that I need 3 packs, but I purposely got 2 packs because, you know, it's already getting hot, it's summer, and you know, I don't really want a lot of heavy, you know, my hair to be heavy and things like that, and I want it to be kind of like not too much hair, so whenever I like oil my scalp, it can be easy, you know. It's like I'm not gonna be going anywhere. I just wanted to do it. I mean, I'm not going anywhere anyway, so I just want to do my hair, you know, so I don't look like Felicia every morning. So pretty much it, you know, so the back looked pretty ugly because like I skipped like a whole lot, you know what I mean? I like triple skipped it. You know, so I'll show you guys. You guys probably can see like a lot of missing part or whatever, you know, but I don't mind it. You know, I'll just, if anything, I'll finesse it and stuff. So that's how the back look. That's how it looks so far. And now I have to do the front, but I wouldn't recommend, look, that's like ghetto as hell. Look. So I want, you know, whenever I moisturize my hair, I can just lift this up and go through that. See, I didn't even do this hair. I figure, you know, since it's like curly, my hair can kind of hide from it and stuff. So pretty much what I just showed you guys just now, that's how I did the whole back. So now the front part, you know, I'm gonna try and do invisible part. So yeah, okay. So this is how I do the invisible part. Oopsie doopsie. Put this in there. Put this. Okay, you put this in there. Put the hair around it. You close the knot. You pull it through. So now instead of putting both hair in, you only put one. And then you're gonna put the same one in again. And then you're going to Okay guys, and we ended up with something like that. All right guys, fail or nay? Fail or not? No, whatever. Anyways guys, let me know what you guys think. I mean, I don't feel like it came out how I wanted to, but that's okay. You know, I don't recommend you guys make your part. Remember how I had my braids so big? Like for this part, the front, if you want to try and do this, you should have your braids smaller. But me, like I said, I want to have bigger braids, so whenever I'm oiling my hair at night, and I can just like, oops, like flip the hair over, all that sucker up, all that sucker, and waste no time, so I can still treat my hair. I just want to, you know, it's quarantine or whatever. So, you know, it's, you know, I got nowhere to go really. So I just wanted to wake up, you know, don't look like Felicia. Just look decent. I just want to wake up and look decent. I used my own hair. I didn't use no braiding hair to braid it. So yeah, so I guess with that being said, you know, I didn't add a lot of hair, so it's not too much tension on my hair and stuff like that. So it's very protective. It's a great protective style. So this how that look. The front, like I said, with this, it could have been closer. It could look better. But I feel like, you know, with curly hair, you can get away with stuff. Yeah, at first the reason why I did my braid pattern, I wanted a side braid, but number one, I did not. This is a side braid. I forgot to do this part invisible, so it's like regular. So yeah, so I don't think it looks that good or whatever. I don't know what you guys think. So this how, so that's why I decided, okay, it might look better in the middle part. But yeah, but since it's curly hair, you know what I'm saying, like I said, you can get away, because it's curly, you can get away with a lot of stuff, and it's the same color of my hair. And I figure if I want to wear it as a side part, let me see, I can like play around with it and make it work, even though it's not really workable. Just like, you know, kind of like divided this part into two, maybe something like that. You know, just play around with it and stuff. Yeah, see, it's a good way to finesse it. Yeah, not bad. I guess after all, I did have my side part, huh? Okay. And of course, just my edges. I didn't. Yeah, I guess I think I like it. I think I'm satisfied. Okay. Even though, you know, for 2-pack of hair, like I said, because it's curly, I get away with it, and my hair felt pretty light. I know it feels like it's a lot of hair, but it's not. It's pretty light. It's not a lot. Like I said, you can see it's easy. I can grease my hair, so I feel like I'm happy. It's a perfect quarantine hairstyle while I'm trying to grow my hair, so that way I can get through everything to grease the hair and everything. Yeah, so again, I'm going to turn around for you guys again so you can kind of see our look in the back. This is that. Oh, and again, so the hair was, it says 19-inch, I think. So yeah, so I'm going to get to like trim the end. Yeah, it's pretty light, you know, because it's only 2-pack. You know, it's not too much to handle. You guys can see my little hair poking through it. But yeah, look at me. Yes, guys, like I said, this is very safe for your hair. Not too much tension, at least how I did it. I didn't put like too much tension in it. You know, I did it pretty light, and yeah, and it's not heavy. I don't have a lot of hair, so it's not heavy on my hair or anything. I can put it in a ponytail. Whenever I go to bed, I'm gonna just put a bonnet in it, and that's it, lovelies. Let me know, feel or not. I'm feeling this hair. Looking a little cute or whatever. Hey girl. I'm stupid. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching my channel. And again, I'll see you on the next one. And please don't forget to subscribe, turn on that notification bell so you can join the family. Okay? Mwah! Love you all. You can have it up. All right, let me stop it. Bye for now. Bye for good now.